2 Peter chapter 1, verses 5 to 8. Make every effort to supplement your faith with virtue, and virtue with knowledge, and knowledge with self-control, and self-control with steadfastness, and steadfastness with godliness, and godliness with brotherly affection, and brotherly affection with love. For if these qualities are yours and are increasing, they will keep you from being ineffective or unfruitful in the knowledge of our Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, that was 2 Peter chapter 1, 5 to 8. As Isaac said, the best way to remember that verse is 2 plus 1 plus 5 equals 8. 2 Peter chapter 1, verse 5 to 8. 2 plus 1 plus 5 equals 8. I thought that was pretty good. Okay, so breaking it down. Make every effort, like you're straining or like you're lifting something. Make every effort to supplement, like we're taking a vitamin or a supplement, to supplement your faith. Faith, we're putting our hands together, your faith with, open it up for a V for virtue. So your faith, like praying hands, I'm praying in faith with virtue. So there's your V. Virtue with knowledge, like you're grabbing your brain to think about things. And knowledge with self-control. We're covering our mouth because the hardest thing to control is our tongue. So with self-control, covering our mouth. And our self-control with steadfastness. So once we develop that self-control, we keep on practicing it. So we keep on our hands moving forward in steadfastness. And steadfastness with godliness, like we look up to God and who He is. With steadfastness with godliness, and godliness with brotherly affection. As we have that affection for our brother, we give a hug. And brotherly affection with love, because no greater love has any man than this, that He laid down His life for His friends, Jesus on the cross. So brotherly affection with love. For if these qualities, like money or fine material, we bring them into ourselves, if these qualities are yours, and increasing, like they're climbing a stack, like a picture, if these qualities are money or material, you bring them into you, if they're increasing, if they're yours and increasing, like you're picking up a stack, then they will keep you, like you're taking them and putting them in your pocket to keep them, they will keep you from being ineffective, like scissors trying to cut a rock in rock, paper, scissors, that's not effective, that doesn't work. Or our favorite one, ineffective or unfruitful, like a dinosaur who can't reach the fruit on branches, so he's unfruitful, he can't pick the fruit. In the knowledge, again, grabbing our head with the knowledge of our Lord, flipping it up to a crown, Jesus Christ, going back to the cross. So, make every effort to supplement your faith with virtue, and virtue with knowledge, and knowledge with self-control, self-control with steadfastness, steadfastness with godliness, godliness with brotherly affection with love. And if these qualities are yours and are increasing, they will keep you from being ineffective or unfruitful in the knowledge, in the knowledge of our Lord Jesus Christ. 2 Peter chapter 1, verses 5 to 8.